Hi everyone. So I'm sitting in my studio. It's quite cool out here. I've just turned on the heater. We are going to finish the landscape today. Sorry, I'm a bit late. I've had a lot of classes going on. Lovely to see you back though. Thank you for following. Thank you for subscribing. I cannot get that word out. Um, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am doing an exhibition at the moment, so that's taking up quite a lot of my time and with workshops and things. So let's get down to it. All right, now here we go. So I'm just going to put the music on because I don't actually know what I'm going to do. This is a burnt sienna ink that I've got, and this is on a flat surface. So I am just going to, do it. So I'm just going to make this a little bit lighter with a bit of So I'm making these very organic. I'm not worrying about, and I think I like the ink for that reason. Yeah, I like the ink for because it does allow you to do that. Be organic with it. This. So light. I'm going to make I am going to make this area up here, somewhat lighter, or some sort of sun. Not too sure what yet. As you know, all my works are inspired as I do them. So yeah, and I like the uneven. Hold on. So using that piece of paper that was made, I also use acrylic paints obviously over the top of it to kind of create a bit more interest. The lights and the darks, etc. And you can come back and work on those until, you know, they look like actual clouds and not, yeah. If you don't like anything, the other fabulous thing about this, and excuse me when I just get one of those, the fabulous thing about this particular canvas is that because of the paper it's on, I will show you, it allows you to actually, you know, rub out quite easily or manipulate more or wipe off completely for a certain amount of time, you know. So if you're putting, like if I'm going to put some sort of sun rays there, then obviously these pieces are, you know, they're going to have some sort of brightness to them. I have no idea what you can see on camera too. I'm very bad at this. With this particular very strange long canvas, it has become a bit of a challenge. Just going to do that. The same with this one. Just get a bit of burnt umber and now this is my interpretation of clouds. They don't actually have to look like clouds, as you know. They can look as little like clouds since it's your landscape. But because of all the clouds and the sun and everything like that, there will be a bit of brightness going on to the tops there. Now, you can make them really particular, or you can just blend in some lighter colours until you think you've got what you want. I do blend. This is very watery acrylic paint too. This is very translucent. It's not opaque at all. So, I don't know whether you can see. So as you can see, I've got a bit more of interest of colour, a bit more dark. Just mixing the burnt umber with the paint for a bit. Just a bit more interest. Okay, so as you can see, there's a bit to be done. Still, I'm probably going to do the most of it offline, because I feel like I don't want to, like everybody's got their individual ways of doing things. So this is where the play begins anyway, isn't it? After you've played with the papers and now you're going to play with the picture itself, you know. You can obviously paint over the papers themselves and create, you know, more of more bits of interest along this edge of the wall. You could get the black onto it. You could do white. I mean, you can do, yeah. So what I would do is I would just play around and see what comes up for you, like what you actually like. I'm not really can't really teach you exactly how to do it because I'm very an intuitive painter, and so are you. So your intuitiveness with just light and dark. So where does you just ask yourself, kind of, there's no right or wrong to this, So where, if there was a sun up there, which there kind of will be soon enough, maybe, if I'm doing that, where would the light shades be? So, the clouds in the way there. So there would be a bit of light coming through there. So maybe you want to make that a whole heap lighter, And over here, if the light is coming up there, you would probably have, this bit here a little bit lighter. But it's really translucent. It's what I'm using is very translucent. So is this going to make a pattern over the top of here, and all of this is actually going to be, under a cloud, but this bit here is not, because obviously the cloud is moving over. So you're going to make this bit, like so. Now, the thing about this is I don't know myself how this is going to turn out. I just keep on putting on until I have got enough for the day, and then I'll come back tomorrow and I will do some more. I quite like how it's going, but I feel like there's also going to be some colors or something, reeds or something in the front here. I'm, going to probably get some color and flick up some reeds, or maybe I'm going to make some, much darker rocks with black. So at this point, the burnt umber and the white is just something to play with. So it's like the dark areas and the light areas, and have a play. It's just paper and a bit of acrylic paint. All right. So have I been helpful? I'm not sure. Let me know if I've been helpful. Or maybe I'm confusing. Some people like really, really structured, and that, they like to have structured ideas. So maybe I'm not for you. But if I am, with this free kind of flowing idea, subscribe, follow me, ask me a question or two. I do love questions. All right. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you next time. I will actually let this dry a whole day because it's ink, and then I will come back and do another one with the final details, with the wheat or the grass or whatever it is, the sun, the light, coming through there, and then you'll be able to see the different things that I've done. All right. Have a great day. So I quickly did this not on camera, so I'm just going to show you. I decided that this area here needed to be a lot darker, so I put some burnt umber ink on there. And I decided also, because I wanted to do reeds and some awesome grass or something, something in here, that this kind of needed to be a bit more undulating with rock kind of formation. So I just whacked on some very rock looking ink work. And yeah, so anyway, this is the next step to it. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.